In this video, I will show you how to download and install GTA 5 on your computer. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and once you have done that, also think about leaving a like. We really appreciate it, and make sure to stay subscribed until the end for all the seasons. Thank you for watching this video. So let's go to my computer. So here we are on my desktop, and the first thing we need to do is get something called Steam. Now Steam is essentially a game marketplace and launcher, so if you don't have it already, go to steampowered.com or simply search for Steam on Google, and you can access the website, and you need to create a free account. Then click on Install Steam and everything downloads, and it's really simple to do. Next, you will have the Steam desktop application on your computer, which looks like this, and I will zoom in on it for you. So once you have downloaded Steam on your computer, what you want to do is go to the store, wait for it to load, and you simply click on this search button, then go search for GTA 5 like this. And there it is. Go ahead and click on it. And then once it loads, you will need to verify your age. So I will do it now. I have now entered my age. I will click on view the page, and then we can see it. As you can see, there it is. So what you need to do is scroll down, and you need to buy GTA 5. What you want is just GTA 5. There is some kind of premium edition with a few packs, but it is the cheapest you can get. All you have to do is press add to cart like this, and it will take a moment. And here is our cart. Then all you want to do is press buy for myself, and it will take a moment to load. Then we can select the payment method we want to use. So what I did now is that I entered my payment information, and now let's click on buy, and after successfully purchasing, it will say thank you for your purchase. And after buying it, all you need to do is go click on library like this, and it will show you all your games. And as you can see, here is GTA 5. I just added it here, and as you can see, here is GTA 5. So let's go ahead and click on it like this, and then we can install it on our system. Now it is important to note that you need 100 gigabytes, which is a lot. So it will take up a lot of space, and I recommend doing it on a hard drive and not an SSD, because it's so big. So what you want to do is click install like this, and you have these options here. Then you can choose where you want GTA to be installed. So I will change this location for myself, so I put it on my D drive. Then I will click next, and then you have to accept the clause. I have already read it before, and there you go. It is creating local game files, and it is preparing for installation and essentially downloading. As you can see, we can now press finish, and you can see that GTA is downloading. I have several internet connections, so it will take some time to download 100 gigabytes. I will now explain what will happen next. Once GTA has finished downloading and installing, the download button I showed you in the library will turn into a play button. Then all you need to do is press play, and what will launch is something called the Rockstar Games launcher. It will open, and you will need to choose the language and accept the agreement, and basically choose where you want to install the Rockstar Games launcher, because it's something you need to have to launch GTA 5. Then once you have successfully installed it, go back to your Steam library, and you can press play on the game Grand Theft Auto again. Then the Rockstar Games launcher will appear, and you will need to create a social club account. You need to polish your account, and then you can verify that you purchased GTA via Steam, and it will check that you have a valid GTA license with your social club profile. And during this process, you will enter an activation code, which is actually the game you purchased on Steam on your social club account. And then you can start playing GTA, and it will launch, and you can enjoy it. It's really a great game. If you found this video helpful, please scroll down below. Thank you. Bye.